Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to register, create your account, and apply for a job here on Onlinejobs.ph without experience. So the first thing that we are going to do is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for Onlinejobs.ph. All right. And then after that, we will be redirected to this website. So once you're here, the first thing that we are going to do is to click on the sign up option. So here, click on the sign up option. That's right. Then here we have two options. So if you're an employer and you are looking for amazing hires, so you just have to click on the start hiring workers. But of course, since we are looking for a job and we are Filipino, so click on the start finding jobs option right here. Okay, so right here we just have to create a free job seeker account. So type it right here, your email address. Okay, so let me just type out my email address right here. After that, you just have to create your password. Okay, so you're just going to create a password. So you just have to check all of the things that you can find here and then click on this captcha, and then you just have to answer this one. Okay, so click on register after that. Okay, so now your account has been created, so you just have to confirm your registration by going to your inbox. Just open our email. Okay, so here is the email. So you just have to click on this link right here to confirm your identity. Now you're well on your way to having an online job. So now we can view our account. So you just have to type it right here, our email, or the details that we have used to create our account, okay? At gmail.com. So once you're here, you just have to complete your profile, right? Or you can also skip this part. So of course, we have to complete our profile. So right here, we have 4 steps. So we are done registering our account. Now the next thing is to create our profile. We have to rate our skills and then view the available jobs for you. So here you just have to take this opportunity to show off your skills. You can write a paragraph about your employment skills, and then not just write a list. Write something that will demonstrate to an employer how knowledgeable you are. So you can upload here your resume or CV to help employers understand your background better. You just have to upload your PDF file right here. And then for the job title, briefly describe your skills, digital marketing and go high level experts, or social media manager with graphic design skills, or something like that. And then for your profile description, you just have to tell them a summary about your skills and how you want to be known as a worker. And then, of course, your highest educational attainment. So you just have to select your degree right here. All right, so I'm just going to select bachelor's degree. And then if you're looking for a full-time job, how many hours per day, and then your rate per hour or rate per month, and then your birth year, your gender. Okay, and then the next thing is you just have to rate your skills, and then let us now proceed to look for a job that is available for us. And then we just have to look for the job that's available for our skill. Okay, so just going to click on maybe next time. So here to look for a job, click on this job board option at the top. So right here, if you are new to Onlinejobs.ph and then this is your first time looking for a job, the advice that I can give to you is just you have to be honest every time you apply for a job. Okay, so of course you have to tell them if what skills do you have, or if you already have a background working from home. Like for example, for data entry, you're a social media manager, or any related work that will help you to get hired. Okay, so for example, this one right here for admin assistant. So if you're an admin assistant before, like in an actual setting or on site, so you can actually apply for this one. But of course, during your application letter, your skill requirement, you can also find that right here, the skill requirement, so office and administration. Right, so we also have here the job overview. So for example, we are going to search for a specific job offering. So we can actually use the search bar at the top, and then I just have to type out right here keyword. So for example, you're looking for a VA work or virtual assistant. So we can just type out right here virtual assistant. So you'd be able to see here the different jobs that you can apply to. Okay, so you can also use the filter that you can see at the left side if you want to be specific. So if you're looking for a full-time job, a part-time job, or just gigs. Now, to boost our profile is we just have to click on our account, and right here you can see this ID proof. So an ID proof is an Onlinejobs.ph is a document that verifies your identity. It is like government issued ID such as passport, driver's license, or national ID. Its main purpose is to make sure that you are a real person and not a fake account. So this helps keep the platform safe and trustworthy for both employers and job seekers. So by submitting your ID proof, you increase your credibility and chances of getting hired because clients can see that your profile is verified and authentic. And for the test scores in Onlinejobs.ph, it shows your skills and abilities in different areas such as English, grammar, or other job related skills. They help employers see how capable and reliable you are before hiring you. So, the higher the test scores, the more confident clients feel about your skills. So, taking these tests can and get good scores and make your profile stand out and increase your chances of getting job offers. And now for the verification, it is a process of confirming your identity and the information on your profile. So it usually involves submitting a valid ID and sometimes a selfie for comparison. The purpose of verification is to prove that you are a real person and not a scammer or fake account. So once you're verified, your profile will have a verified badge, which helps build trust in employers and makes them more likely to hire you. Now, you can get hired even without prior experience. So you have to focus on learning and showing your effort. So you can start by taking free online courses to gain basic skills in the job you want, like virtual assistance, social media management, or writing. So you can create a strong profile that highlights your eagerness to learn, good communication skills, and reliability. You can also volunteer or accept small tasks to build your portfolio and gain experience. And lastly, you always write a personalized cover letter showing why you're interested and how you can help the client, even if you're just starting out. Now, it is very important to be honest when telling your experience because it shows integrity and helps employers know what you can really do. So if you exaggerate or lie, it can cause problems later when you're asked to perform tasks and you don't actually know. So being truthful also helps the clients set the right expectations and allows them to give you training or support if needed. So employers value honesty more than perfection, so it's always better to share your real experience confidently. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.